Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of acupuncture, a practice that has been used for thousands of years to promote health and well-being. We'll explore what acupuncture is, the two distinct perspectives, the different techniques used, and the common acupoints used in animals.
What is acupuncture?
Acupuncture is a key component of traditional Chinese medicine that involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body known as acupuncture points. The needles used in acupuncture are typically made of stainless steel, ensuring they are both sterile and durable. These needles are ultra-thin, often finer than a human hair, allowing for minimal discomfort during insertion. This practice is based on the concept of qi, which is believed to be the vital energy that flows through pathways called meridians. By stimulating these points, acupuncture aims to restore balance to the flow of qi, helping to elevate pain, reduce stress, and treat various health conditions. It is recognized for its holistic approach, focusing not only on physical symptoms but also on emotional and mental well-being. Let us now talk about the two distinct perspectives on acupuncture, discussing first on the traditional Chinese medicine. The foundation of traditional Chinese medicine is rooted in ancient Chinese philosophy, emphasizing the interconnectedness of the body, mind, and spirit. A key concept in traditional Chinese medicine is yin and yang, which represents the dualistic nature of existence. Yin is associated with qualities such as darkness, receptivity, and coolness, while yang embodies light, activity, and warmth. Health is viewed as a dynamic balance between these two forces. When yin and yang are in harmony, the body functions optimally. Disruptions can lead to various health issues. The role of qi in traditional Chinese medicine is the essence of life that flows through the body. It is responsible for physiological functions and emotional well-being. When qi flows freely through the meridians, the body can maintain health. Factors such as stress, poor diet, and environmental influences can disrupt this flow. Acupuncture helps to unblock these pathways and restore the normal flow of qi, promoting balance between yin and yang. Another essential concept in traditional Chinese medicine is the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each element corresponds to specific organs, emotions, seasons, and characteristics. Each element can influence the flow of qi in different ways, and acupuncture points are selected to restore harmony among them.
From the Western view,
acupuncture is more than traditional healing. It engages the body's natural systems through precise point stimulation. In this discussion, we will explore how acupuncture works through the lens of neurophysiology, revealing its effects on the brain, nerves, and overall body function. Let us use this diagram as a guide to explore the neurophysiology of acupuncture. When we insert an acupuncture needle, two main things happen at the local site. First, there's mechanical stimulation. This is called mechanotransduction. Second, it creates tiny tissue injury or microtrauma, which leads to the release of inflammatory mediators like histamine and cytokines. These local changes are actually beneficial. They help trigger the body's healing response. The stimulation activates different types of sensory nerves such as A beta and A delta fibers, which carry pressure and quick pain signals, and C fibers, which carry slow, dull pain signals. These fibers send messages into the dorsal horn of the spinal cord to the first station where pain is processed. From the spinal cord, signals travel up to the supraspinal centers that includes parts of the brainstem, and then reach the brain itself. This is where things get interesting. The brain responds by activating pain control systems These systems include the serotonin system, which improves mood and reduces pain, the glutamate system, which helps with the nerve signaling and plasticity, the opioid system, which releases the body's natural painkillers like endorphins, and the adrenergic system, which helps reduce inflammation and enhance circulation. Together, these systems help turn the brain into an internal pharmacy, releasing chemicals that fight pain and promote healing. The brain also activates a process called diffuse noxious inhibitory control. This is like hitting a pain-off switch in the spinal cord, where the brain tells the spinal cord to reduce the volume of incoming pain signals. All of these systems send signals back to the spinal cord, especially to the dorsal horn, instructing it to suppress or block pain signals from reaching the brain. This is called descending modulation. Think of it as a built-in pain management system being switched on by acupuncture. And finally, through repeated stimulation, acupuncture can influence neural plasticity. That means it helps retrain the nervous system to become less sensitive to chronic pain over time, known as long-term potentiation and long-term depression. How does acupuncture work? Let us break this down when we insert a needle into specific points on your pet's body. Amazing things happen. The spot with the needles gets a boost in circulation. More blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients, leading to faster healing. This needle stimulates nearby nerves, sending signals to the spinal cord and brain. The brain kicks off the release of endorphins and serotonin, your pet's natural painkillers and mood boosters. Acupuncture reduces production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which play roles in chronic pain and degenerative disease. Some acupoints relate to internal organs via nerve reflex arc. For example, stimulation near the spine may affect gastrointestinal function or bladder control. Now that we are done on how acupuncture works, let's get to know more of the conditions wherein acupuncture can help with. Acupuncture can help with the following conditions: arthritis and joint pain, back pain and disc issues, allergies, digestive issues, post-surgical recovery, anxiety or behavioral issues, and more.
Acupuncture techniques used in animals. Dry needling. Tiny needles are gently inserted into your pet's muscles to help relieve pain and tension. Dry needling is good for muscle pain, myofascial pain syndromes, chronic pain management, and to improve range of motion. Electroacupuncture. Gentle electrical stimulation of inserted needles. Electroacupuncture enhances pain relief and promotes healing by stimulating specific acupoints with electrical currents. Indicated for arthritis, post-surgical pain, muscle spasm and tension relief, neurological conditions, and rehabilitation support for mobility issues. Hemoacupuncture. Bloodletting to relieve pain and inflammation. Indicated to reduce excess heat and toxins in the body, and support for chronic conditions where blood stagnation is a concern. Moxibustion. Burning of moxa stick from mugwort plant near acupoints to provide heat stimulation. Indicated for the treatment of colds, arthritis, and enhancement of the chi and blood flow. Also improves digestive issues and support for reproductive health and conditions like infertility. It's not a one-size-fits-all. Your pet gets a custom plan with the technique that suits them well. Acupoints commonly used in dogs and cats. GV20 by Hui. Located at the top of the head, calms anxiety, supports neurologic conditions. ST-36 Jusanli, located below the knee, boosts immune system, digestion, and pain control. BL-3, located on the lower back, great for kidney support and lumbar pain. LL-2 for Hegu, on the front paw webbing, anti-inflammatory, head or face pain, and calming. SB6. Located on the hind leg for hormonal balance and pelvic support. BL60. Located near the hock for hips, back, and pain management. An acupuncture treatment session for pets usually lasts about 30 to 45 minutes. This includes some time for discussing your pet's health and any concerns. According to some sources including the VCA Animal Hospital, the actual treatment, where the needles are applied, typically takes around 15 to 30 minutes. Afterwards, there may be a time for questions or to help your pet relax.